channel. So in this video we will talk about the LeetCode problem number 268 missing number. This is the one of the easiest question I have seen in this LeetCode. So first of all, let's start with the problem understanding. So here we are given an array nums containing n distinct numbers. So from the range 0 to n, exactly one number is missing. So we want to return that missing number. So here is the example. There is a string of number 0 to 3. So here the number 2 is missing. So we want to return that number. So basically our approach will be we will use the Gauss summation formula. The sum of all integers from 0 to n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Like here the n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is a small formula we will use for solving this question. So what we will do, so first of all we will take a variable to store the value of size of the array. So int n equals to nums dot size. So it will store the size of this array that we want. And now we'll take a variable. We will call it. So basically we will take here two different variables. First will be the expected. Expected means that there should be the sum of all integer 0 to n should be that n into n plus 1 by 2, and the second variable will be check the actual sum. So actual sum will be the sum of the all element in present in the array. So after that we will subtract expected minus actual. So we will get the actual number which we want to return. So let's start with the first. We will take expected exp. We will write exp here is equal to we want n into n plus 1 by 2. So this will be our expected sum, and actual act actual is we will defining now it as a 0. Now we will find the sum of all element present in array. So we will take here for loop for each. So int x for nums. So we will run this code and add the values to the actual variable. So we will get actual plus is equal to x. So the every value will be added to the actual value. So now we will return the expected minus actual. So After this, we will get the number which is missing from the array. So let's run it first. We will see, yes, this is right question. So now let's dry run it. So for dry running, let us assume this array is here. So the sum here array is 0 to 3. So the expected sum will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So the expected will be 6. And now we will count to the actual what is this. So first we will array goes to x equal to 3. So here we'll count 3 plus 0, the initial actual value. Now after that it will go to 0. So 0 plus, now the actual value is 3. So 3, now move to the next. So it will go to 1. So 1 plus the value is 3. So the answer will be 4. So this is our actual value. So now we will subtract ext minus actual value. So the expected value is 6. So 6 minus actual value is 4. So actual value is 4. So the answer will be 2. And here we can see the 2 is missing from the array. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.